Are you wondering why a dog licks you? What does it really mean when a dog licks you? Dogs will often lick people as a way to greet them, show affection, or simply get their attention. When puppies are growing, their mothers will spend a lot of time licking them to show love. In a similar way, grown-up dogs will lick their human owners to display affection and love. Dogs lick people for a variety of reasons. They may be seeking attention, licking as a greeting, or investigating different scents. If licking receives a positive response and is reinforced, dogs may repeat this behavior in the future. Why do dogs lick their owners? When dogs feel comfortable with their owners, they will begin to lick them as a form of greeting. In most cases, licking will be for a good reason, including affection, information gathering, or habit. It is very important to remember that dogs carry bacteria and parasites in their mouth, some of which may be harmful to the humans. So, avoid letting them lick your face and always wash your skin and hands afterwards. Why do dogs like being petted so much? Your dog likes to be stroked because it feels good. It is a form of bonding, and it tells him you are his. Your dog likes to be stroked on his shoulders, chest, and back of the neck, and he likes when you use slow, firm hands in the direction of his fur. You can stroke your dog to bond and to reinforce desired behaviors. Why do dogs lay on top of you? Since dogs consider their owners as a part of their family, they want to lay on top of them to show them that and to provide them with comfort and security as well as receive it in the process. Dogs will lay next to or on top of people because they feel connection or bond with their owners. Now we will know some amazing facts about the dog. The area of cells in the brain that detect different smells is around 40 times larger in the dogs than humans. This means that your dog can pick up more smells than we ever could. This is why dogs are often used to sniff out people, drugs, and even money. Most dogs could easily outrun a human. They are built to run and chase. The fastest breed of dogs by far is the Greyhound. These speedy sight hounds can reach a top speed of 40 miles per hour within seconds. We all know dogs can hear much higher frequencies than us, but did you know they can also hear further? Generally, dogs can hear much softer sounds than we can, so they can hear things that are much further away. If you have a dog, you might notice that their ears move around a lot. They actually have around 18 muscles responsible for moving their ears. These muscles help them to change the direction of their ears slightly to hear noises around them better and play a really big part in telling us how our dogs are feeling.